Welcome, friends, for UPSC PYQs of economy. First question is inflation based. With reference to inflation in India, consider the following statements. First is core inflation excludes food and fuel prices. B, headline inflation includes all items. C, Reserve Bank of India targets core inflation. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer options are A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 only, D 1 and 2 and 3. Answer is A 1 and 2 only. Core inflation excludes volatile items like food and fuel. Headline inflation includes all items. RBI targets CPI inflation, not core inflation. Question number 2, banking system based. What is a non-performing asset NPA in bank? Options: A, asset generating high profit. B, loan not repaid for a specified period. C, government bond. D, bank capital. Answer is B. NPA is loan where interest or principal is overdue for 90 days, indicates stress in banking system. Question number 3, based on fiscal policy, which of the following are direct taxes? A, income tax. B, GST. C, corporate tax. Answer is 1 and 3 only. B, 2 only. C, 1, 2 and 3. D, 3 only. Answer is A, 1 and 3 only. Direct tax is paid directly by individuals or companies to the government. GST is not direct tax, it is indirect tax. Question number 4, based on external sector, which of the following leads to depreciation of a currency? Increase in imports, B, decrease in exports, C, high capital inflow. Options are A 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, C 1, 2 and 3, and D 3 only. Answer is A 1 and 2 only. More imports and leads demand for foreign currency. So if demand for foreign currency increases, leads to weakens the currency weakens. Lower exports leads to less forex inflow. Capital inflow strengthens currency. Question number 5, agriculture minimum support price is announced by which body? A, Reserve Bank of India. B, Niti Aayog. C, Government of India. D, Food Corporation of India. Answer is C, Government of India. Must be recommended by CACP. Final decision taken by the Government of India. Question number 6, based on monetary policy tools, repo rate is A, rate at which banks lend to RBI. B, rate at which RBI lends to banks. C, interest on savings account. D, tax rate. Answer is B. Repo rate is the borrowing rate of bank from Reserve Bank of India used to control inflation. Question number 7. In order to control the inflation, Reserve Bank can increase the repo rate so that commercial banks have to pay higher interest and they are unable to give loans on lower rates. Question number 7, digital economy. UPI is developed by which organization? A, Reserve Bank of India. B, National Payments Corporation of India. C, Ministry of Finance. D, World Bank. Answer is B. UPI is developed by NPCI, regulated by RBI, but does not develop. Question number 8, based on budget concept, fiscal deficit means total revenue minus total expenditure. B, total expenditure minus total revenue excluding borrowing. C, only tax revenue. D, only capital expenditure. Answer is B. Fiscal deficit is equal to borrowing requirement of the government. So these are some important questions which you must know. Thank you.